So starting the test drive in this Altima 3.5, I have the transmission in sport mode now. So it pulls pretty well. And these 3.5s have always been pretty strong just in terms of the output you get. Because this V6 is a pretty powerful engine for a vehicle of this nature, I think. Give it a little pull here. Yeah, it wants to go, especially with it being front wheel drive. It does quite a bit up front. But I'm going to try the paddle shifters out here. Going to come around this corner and then we're going to floor it. So very, very fast. Very impressive. And I'm just glad that with this mileage that nothing seems to be out of the ordinary. You know, a lot of people are scared of the transmissions in these being CVTs, but this one seems to be pretty good shape. Having a little bit of an off-center steering wheel here. Don't know what that is. But I like the sound acoustics in here. It's relatively quiet. Ride quality is good. Just a tad bit of wind noise, but it is windy out right now. Now, I want to give one more thank you to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this Altima today. And if you're looking to get one of these in your area, make sure you click on that link down below. Fill out the info, let us know what kind of vehicle you're looking for, and we'll make sure to get you that best possible price on an Altima in your area. But this one here, okay, I see what is probably causing that now. I have a low tire pressure sensor. So one of these is probably pretty low on air, and it's probably that one that wasn't showing earlier. But pretty good price here. Again, $11,000 for this. And of course, if you get an extended warranty, that'll kind of hold you up depending on how much you use the vehicle for the next few years. Now, this dealer does offer a lifetime powertrain warranty on used vehicles that are, I believe, 2015 or newer and have less than 100,000 miles. So unfortunately, this just has a little more miles than would be allowed to get that powertrain warranty. But again, seems to have held up pretty nice. It has a few weird lights on. That's probably just something that needs to be cleared. But overall, I like how this rides, like how it drives, and that's with the low tire pressure sensor. So probably would do a bit better in optimal condition. But compared to the Accord, compared to the Camry, the Altima has always, at least in my eyes, been the cheap option to go to. And Nissan kind of prides themselves in having the most budget-friendly lineup. And you can see that in the 24 model Versa, pretty much being the cheapest car you can get right now, under 20 grand in the S trim. The Sentra does very well, gets really good gas mileage, and is in that 25 to 30 grand sweet spot. And S is probably cheaper than that. And the Altima has just been a really good seller, heck, for about as long as I can remember. My dad had a 2001 stick shift special edition, put 200,000 miles on it, but then needed a transmission and then the engine, but he drove his stuff pretty hard. So and that's really part of what you want to look for when you're looking at a vehicle as well. Big thing is maintenance, but also kind of how it was driven. but mostly maintenance, because that could pretty much hold most things together, even if you drive a car a little hard. But decent car for decent money, probably the best way to put it. And this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2015 Nissan Altima 3.5 SL.